I'm not in the driveway right now. I'm spending some time with my friends over at Enigmatic Electronics. And this is Professor Steele, and he's going to explain to us how a ram pump works.
Well, what we got here is an old-fashioned way of pumping water with no electricity. And you have to have a lot of flow, and you get a little bit of pressure. You don't get a lot of water out of the end, but you get some pressure, and you can go a good distance with it. You'll have a pipe here that comes up. You'll put that in like a creek or a river. And the water, you waste a lot of water. It'll come out here until this check valve here closes. And when this check valve closes, this is a swing check valve. It's just got a flap in there. It creates a water hammer effect. This is a spring power check valve. Slams water into this area. You got the smaller pipe. Obviously, the current, all this water can't go out that, so it forces up into here. And inside here, we have a bicycle inner tube. This acts as a pressure bladder. Once all that current pushes in as much as it can, builds up a little pressure, this check valve closes, starts this process again. When this check valve closes, this pressure wants to reach an equilibrium, and it pumps a little bit of water out this end. Now you can go a pretty good distance with this. Like I said, it's not a lot of water, you just get a little trickle out the end. But in the old times, if they needed to fill up a watering trough for animals, whatnot, or just get water up to the barrel at the house, over a day's time you keep that full. And that's the principle behind the water pump here.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, these are still used quite a bit in undeveloped areas, in other countries in particular? Is that
Yes,
correct?
and they're easy to build, and this one's built out of PVC, but you can build them out of all sorts. You can even use factory tanks here. There's even plans that doesn't use this tank. This is just the rudimentary idea, and the easiest in our society to build because PVC is available.
So you're saying it could be MacGyvered pretty easily?
Oh yeah, these were built when nothing like this existed. You don't even have to have the inner tube. There's plans with pistons made out of leather running up in here and such. The internet's a good source of different plans for these.
Well, thank you, and stay tuned. I'll give a link on my YouTube video about how you can get in touch with the Enigmatic Electronics guys, and please check out their site and subscribe. Thanks.